let you take the night shift. I thought the other guards were too curious. I told you I trusted you to handle things. So go ahead, play your little card. But I know what you did, and I'll be the one who will deal with you. Our creations will be your undoing. I know the truth, and I won't let you live after what you did to my girl. I know what you are capable of. I'm sorry, old friend.
Hey, it's Joey again. Glad you made it through night one. Tonight's gonna be a little tougher.
And Joe, I'm here again. So guess what? Your friend from yesterday will be joining in on the fun. You know, little old balloon boy.
Yeah, him. Don't be fooled by the cheery name. He's a little troublemaker. Unlike the others, he wanders around without much of a pattern.
As you know, he's got a thing for them vents. You'll see him on the cams moving towards them, and if he gets in, he'll try to drop right into your office.
When you hear him above you, you know he's close. If he pops out of a vent, shut the vent door immediately. If you're slow, he's in. And trust me, you don't want that.
His movement, it's just so unpredictable. 1 second he's in the hole, next he's crawling above you. Keep checking the CCTV so you're not caught off guard.
And, have you noticed Henry's still missing? Haven't seen him at all.
Yeah, it's weird, right? Especially with that new Fredbears pizza opening this year. You know, it's supposed to be bigger, flashier, with some more animatronics.
Sounds like they're really pushing to grow the brand. Guess Henry's got other things on his mind. Whatever those are.
Anyway, watch the vents, keep track of the others, and you should be fine.
Good luck out there. We're counting on you. night guard. I noticed something off about our dear old Fredbear tonight, so I left this tape here for you. He's been acting very strange the past few weeks. Seems like he's malfunctioning, maybe. You should probably give him some attention. I'll guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, grab his mask and store it away for now.
You let her die. I won't let you forget that.
First things first, grab his mask and store it away for now. After that, head over to his face. You'll need a closer look. Next, you'll need to grab his right eye, and then his left. Be careful and only remove them when you see movement. Otherwise, he'll notice you. Toss the eyes away after you grab them. Now, move away from his face, and look to your right. There are 2 new eyes in the boxes next to Fredbear. Store them away. Now you can go back to Fredbear's face, and place his new eyes in the socket, just like before in the same order. Also, put his head back on. Now you have to deal with his torso. Grab it carefully and put it away for a bit. Alright, now go to the back of Fredbear's torso, and you'll see some wires. They may be misplaced. Rearrange the wires in the right spots. Now you can put his torso back on. Last step, run a quick diagnostic, just to make sure everything's okay. Alright, that's it. You should be good.